channel. Today I'll be cooking for you some steamed fish with Bammies and crackers. So sit back, relax as I take you to the kitchen for the preparation of the meal. See you then. So my green forest fish, I'm gonna wash them now with some vinegar and lime juice to eat and clean them up. Get ready to steam them. It's such a pity I'm not able to get any of the real sea fish for this purpose, because I love my real fresh fish, but nonetheless rainforest will do. Okay, some of the things I will be using today to steam my fish: I have gold seal, butter, Maggi soup it up, Bammies, okra, pumpkin, potato, and you have tomato, escallion, sweet pepper, garlic, onion, some thyme, and some powdered season, which you will be seeing in a short while. Okay, she's now ready, nice and clean, and I've slit the side of it so that it can absorb the season properly. As you can see, salt and black pepper combined. I'm gonna rub this into the fish. Okay, guys, you have to be gentle when doing this because there's a lot of bones. We don't want you to get hurt. Okay. Okay. Some Maggi season, all-purpose season, meat seasoning, some fish seasoning, and some basil, all combined here. Okay, I'm gonna combine it and season the fish with it. Okay, I'm gonna be breaking this video in order to season it properly because I don't want any bones to stick me. Okay, fish is now seasoned with all powdered season. Right, I'm gonna let this marinate for about half an hour, then come back with the rest of the preparation. Okay, steamed fish. It's gonna be lit today. It's all the other seasoning that I will be adding, so that my fish will be tasty when it is done. Okay, so I have sweet pepper, tomato, onion, escallion, garlic, hot pepper. Yeah. Meantime, I'm going to prepare my bammy. So what I normally do with my bammy is soak it in some milk or some water and then dry them off and then just lightly fry them in a little oil, not plenty. Alright, so I'm gonna be soaking this now. I will be using water, so I put a little water, just enough to cut out the bammy. Right, so I'm gonna be soaking this for say 15 minutes. Okay, in the meantime, when this is marinating, I will be adding the other seasoning. So in a few you'll see that process. Guys, these are my other seasoning. I'll be adding these now. Mine is real pretty already. I'm gonna add the other stuff now. Okay, it looks like, guys. So we have okra, carrot, potato, pumpkin. Yeah, looking gorgeous. This, I'm gonna be putting this to the fire now for it to steam, and then I'm gonna prepare the bammy and let you see what I'm doing. Okay, because when I'm finished, the bammy will be adding to this with a few crackers. It's a full meal. I'm gonna be adding just a little water for it to steam. Okay, I've added some Maggi soup it up, some pieces of butter. This will add additional flavor to the fish. Get ready now to prepare my bammy. Okay, while this is steaming, this is my bammy. I'm gonna get it ready now to lightly fry it. You can use a little oil or some butter. You can use whatever works best for you. So there's no harm in using either. Okay, I'm heating up the pot now for adding the oil. Adding a little oil just to cover the bottom of the pot. See, there's not much. Fish is steaming. Ooh, this smells so good. Wow, and it looks delicious. Wow. Look at that. He's so gorgeous. He's so gorgeous. You can imagine this. Everything is properly cooked. My bammy is almost ready. Yeah. So see, guys, I just lightly fry them. Okay. Isn't this lovely? So the bammies are here waiting. So I'll be adding that close soon. Okay, almost there. So all the potatoes and pumpkin, everything properly cooked. Okay. I've added my crackers and bammies. So I'm gonna cover this, turn on the flame a bit, and allow them to steam. Okay, lovely. Wow, this is what I'm talking about. steamed fish with Bammy and Crackers. Ooh, looks gorgeous. Yummy. Ready to eat. Yes, guys. You can do it too. Guys, it's already. Ooh. Looking so yummy. For all you seafood lovers, this is the real one. There you have it, guys. Steamed fish with Bammy, crackers, pumpkin, Irish potato, carrot, okra. There you have it. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like and share with your family. Easy steamed fish with Bammy and crackers. Look at it. So yummy, yummy. Okay. And just like that, dinner is served. Please remember to subscribe. Happy cooking!